Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So this is our Walmart seller account. So Walmart dropship, we are doing Walmart dropshipping, we are doing two-step Walmart dropshipping, also we are doing 3PL and also sometimes 4PL. So as you can see, our working, this is our seller account and we make a good sales, 25k sales, and total units sold, you can see it, and the orders margin on the average unit. So doing dropshipping or two-step dropshipping is easy to do on Walmart, and also you can do dropshipping on Amazon, also you can do dropshipping on eBay, you can do two-step dropshipping on Amazon, also you can do FBA. So we are doing dropshipping from almost 7 years. We are professional, we try to make a student and try to give the best service to everyone that you can earn from home. So if you want to learn that how to do dropshipping and make a good profit and handsome profit per month, per week, then join us on YouTube, message us on WhatsApp, and you will find our WhatsApp number on description. So if you guys are interested doing dropshipping and making money from home, then message us and be with us, subscribe our channel, and